Most people assume that if a deposit fails on an app like Albert, it is just a temporary glitch. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Failed deposits usually come from specific account issues, bank mismatches, or verification problems that are easy to miss. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix Albert app not depositing in 2026, step by step. We'll cover the real reasons this happens, how to fix it quickly, and how to prevent it from happening again. Let's start with the fastest basic check. First, open your Albert app and go to your Activity or Transactions tab. Look for the deposit that failed. If it shows pending or failed, that already tells you something important. The issue is not random. It is tied to your bank connection or account setup. Now here's where most people fail. They immediately retry the deposit without fixing the root cause. That often leads to repeated failures or delays. So let's fix it properly. Step 1 is to check your linked bank account. Go to your Profile section in the Albert app, then tap on Banking or Linked Accounts. Make sure your bank account is still connected. If it shows an error or disconnected status, that is your main issue. For someone like Alex who recently changed banks, this is the most common reason deposits fail. The app is still trying to send money to an old or inactive account. If everything looks connected, move to step 2. Check your bank details carefully. Even a small mismatch in routing number or account number can block deposits. If you recently updated your bank info, you need to re-verify it inside Albert. Now here's the interesting part. Many deposits fail because of verification holds. Albert sometimes requires identity verification before processing transfers. If your account is not fully verified, deposits may pause without clear warning. To check this, go to your Profile or Settings, and look for Verification or Account Status. If anything is incomplete, finish the verification process using your ID and personal details. Step 3 is checking your bank itself. Sometimes the problem is not Albert at all. Your bank may block incoming transfers due to fraud protection or new account restrictions. This is especially common with newer accounts or recent changes. Log into your bank app and look for pending or blocked transactions. If you see anything related to Albert, you may need to approve or whitelist the transfer. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your deposit is still not working after all this, it could be a temporary system delay. Albert sometimes batches transfers, especially during weekends or holidays. In that case, waiting 24 to 48 hours can resolve the issue automatically. But if you do not want to wait, there is one more step. Cancel the pending deposit and reinitiate it after refreshing your app. To do this, close the app completely, reopen it, and try again after confirming your bank connection is stable. Also make sure your app is updated. An outdated version of Albert can cause syncing issues with your bank servers. Go to the App Store or Google Play and check for updates. Now let's quickly summarize the key fixes. First, check your deposit status and bank connection. Second, verify your bank details and identity status inside the app. Third, confirm your bank is not blocking transfers. And finally, update the app or retry after a short delay if everything else looks correct. If you follow these steps, most deposit issues are resolved quickly without needing support. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more simple app troubleshooting guides just like this.